Hey neighbor, Big Ben Thiessen here with RE/MAX Executives, and welcome to River Heights. I am so excited about this listing because not only is it in a fantastic location, look at these beautiful trees, the beautiful street, the wind's blowing through it, but also this house is an amazing deal. Almost 1,300 square feet. We've got 3 bedrooms up there. We've got a bathroom upstairs. Main floor is fantastic. It's an open feel, good flow. We've got gleaming hardwoods throughout. We've got a beautiful kitchen with granite countertops, updated cabinets, a lot of working room in there. And you know, we've got a lot of great updates. We've got air conditioning, we've got a high efficiency furnace. So many things to list, so many things to see. Let's just go take a look. Well, what's not to love about having a park right behind your house? We've got parking for 2 cars, we've got a fenced in yard, beautiful yard here. We've got a fantastic concrete patio to enjoy the sunsets. We've got a nice deck over there. It's even got a barbecue hookup, so you won't have to be hauling propane tanks. We've got great perennials. We've got beautiful curbing around the flower beds, great plants, so many great things going on here. Well, if you or anyone you know has any questions about this property, maybe you'd like to book your own private showing, give me a call, text, or email. Or maybe you can think of the perfect person for this property. Add their name to the comments below or click that share button. Thanks, have a great day, and remember, I want to be your realtor.